We're accustomed to thinking of peace as the absence of something, whether war, violence, hatred, or conflict. Our calling as followers of Jesus is not simply to endure evil and pray that it will go away. We are to be peacemakers, not peace wishers. Well, it is my privilege to introduce Dr. Cameron Lee. I think it's pretty common for a lot of us when we think of Dr. Lee to think someone who embodies peacemaking.
Therapy can sometimes be a grueling profession. Did I hear any amens on that? So what is it that keeps therapists at it? Year after year, client after client. For therapists who follow Christ, I propose the narrative of peacemaking, to see our work as being caught up in the ongoing restorative work of God. From that perspective, the percentage of people that we've cured is not the measure of our work. We don't have to save humanity one client at a time. Clients have been humbled by life and they're looking for hope. Do we have the imagination to see them as deeply loved by God?